Falls from heights are the #1 cause of death in construction, and fall protection violations are OSHA's #1 most cited standard. So what do you need to know to prevent this issue in your workplace? You're about to find out. If you like our YouTube videos, make sure to check out our video subscription to access over 150 video courses. Check it out at allysafety.com. Hi, I'm Rachel from Ally Safety. I'm a career health and safety pro, and today we're talking about how you can prevent the #1 cause of death in construction, falls from heights. 36% of all construction fatalities are caused by falls from heights. And the worst part is, almost every one of them is preventable. So let's break down the top 3 things you can do to save your life. And spoiler alert, I don't even talk about fall protection harnesses in this video. I know, shocker. Number 1, statistically, the most dangerous tool on the job site is a ladder, which is kind of funny because they're pretty mundane and predictable. They don't even really have any moving parts. It's almost like finding out your local librarian is actually the serial killer who's been all over the news. Yeah, that's ladders for ya. Anyway, according to NIOSH, 43% of fatal falls in the last decade involved a ladder. The CDC found that ladders are involved in 81% of fall injuries in construction that are serious enough to require an emergency room visit. So what can you do? Use the right height of ladder. Taller is usually better. For step ladders, never stand on the top step or the cap of the ladder. For extension ladders, don't stand on the top 3 rungs. Make sure extension ladders always extend 3 feet above the landing. Stabilize and secure the ladder. While you're climbing, maintain 3 points of contact and don't overreach. Remember that belt buckle rule. Don't lean out beyond the rails. And this last tip is really important. Don't get complacent just because it's a ladder. I know they seem fairly innocent and mundane, but they're actually one of the most dangerous items on the job site in terms of fatalities. Number 2, don't confuse height with danger. Here's the thing. Most people are more careful if they're working higher up. But according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, more than 40% of fatal falls in construction occurred from heights of 15 feet or lower. Just take a minute to imagine that. Here's the thing. You don't have to be really high up for a fall to kill you. Will things be worse if you fall from 20 feet versus 10? Probably. But the thing is, you can't be dead. It's actually not how high you are. It's how you land. And while broken bones can heal, traumatic brain injuries just don't work that way. And our heads are one of the heaviest parts of the body, so gravity takes them down first. So just because you're only a few feet off the ground and you feel comfortable, don't let that fool you. Tie off, get scaffolding, build temporary guardrails. Take that height seriously, even if no one is watching. The goal is to prevent the fall from happening in the first place. One fall is all it takes, which brings me to my last point. Upgrade your head protection. So here's the hard truth your safety professional probably never told you. That old school hard hat wasn't designed to protect you in a fall. It's made for falling tools, not falling people. What typically happens in a fall is your hard hat's loyalty ends the second the gravity shows up. It'll ricochet across the floor when you need it most, and then trip the first responders who are trying to revive you. Yeah, and you thought your ex was cold-hearted. Falls are the leading cause of traumatic brain injuries in construction, and traumatic brain injuries are a major factor in more than half of all fatal falls. That means it's time to upgrade. If you protect your brain, you protect your life. You need to protect your head, and more modern styles, also known as Type 2s or the ones with chin straps, do a much better job of protecting your head. Also, look with ones with impact dispersing technology that are designed to stay on in a fall and also protect your brain from rotational force. Yeah, they cost more, but in comparison to medical bills, it's nothing. Now, for those of you out there that hate the chin straps, I get it. I actually hate them a lot too, but I'd rather have a functional brain. So protect your brain and upgrade your hard hat. All right, those are the major things you can do to protect yourself from the #1 cause of fatalities in construction. So what did you think?
Were you surprised by any of those? And I'm curious, what dangerous work have you been asked to do at heights? This week, take the time. Talk about falls. Use ladders the right way and don't get complacent just because it's under 15 feet high. Then upgrade your PPE because no one should lose their life just trying to make a living. For those of you safety pros out there who are mad that I didn't talk about fall protection harnesses, lanyards, and anchor points, I talk a lot about that in other videos, so check out these ones. Thanks for watching. As always, take care and stay safe.
Hi, Rachel from Ally Safety here. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out the Ally Safety Toolbox Talk membership at allysafety.com. There, you'll find an entire library of videos that are created to make safety entertaining. I'll see you there at allysafety.com.